Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automatic level that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Leica NA532-32X automatic level. It is no secret that construction sites provide leveling challenges because they are never perfect. Civil engineers and builders have to contend with obstructions and uneven surfaces. This device from Leica Geosystems has been crafted to provide you, the user, with consistently reliable and accurate measurements so that you can get access to the straightest and safest construction environment. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Topcon 24X Automatic Level AT. Topcon has a reputation for top quality products. This model does nothing to dispel that belief. The Topcon ATB4A automatic level enables civil engineers, surveyors, and builders to take extremely accurate horizontal plane and angle measurements. This Topcon level features powerful 24x magnification and a superior telescope design that provides its user with clear and bright views. This is also a versatile product that ensures precise leveling when work takes place near heavy equipment or busy, overcrowded roads and highways. And its short focus, 1.6 feet minimum, makes it perfect for smaller jobs like landscaping, fence building, and pipe laying. At number 3, we have the White AL8. Specifically designed to make every leveling job easier and more accurate, this White auto level has an excellent sighting scope and bubble vial built right into the rugged housing for greater durability. Its wire-hung, magnetically damped compensator effectively holds the level line of sight within 15 arc seconds of level. That means this device will consistently enable you to get accurate readings, which will aid in your construction project. Importantly, the machine's larger aperture results in more light to filter through, so that you always get a sharper image. A horizontal circle with easy-to-recognize and read white-on-black graduations is another superior feature. At number 2, we have the Bosch 32X Automatic Optical Level Kit GOL32CK. This Bosch device is loaded with a broad range of superb features. For example, it has an automatic self-leveling compensator with both horizontal and vertical crosshairs and stadia lines. The Bosch 32CK optical level features a powerful 32x magnification and a large aperture that provides bright and clear images. It provides superb accuracy at 1/16 inch at 100 feet. And if that is not enough, this kit also includes a tripod, a rod, a hard case for easy portability, a lens cap, a plumb bob, and a variety of useful adjustment tools. The perfect leveling device for big, outdoor job, this Bosch Auto Level is, like the company's many other products, highly regarded and coveted. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nikon AL-NIKON-AX. Nikon has always been famous for its cameras. It may now be building a reputation for its manufacturing expertise when it comes to automatic optical levels. Consider the device named above. The Nikon AL-NIKON-AX 2S automatic level delivers a high level of accuracy, and it is remarkably easy to use for a variety of civil engineering and construction projects. Additionally, it is lightweight, compact, rugged, durable, and importantly, water-resistant as well. In fact, this auto level is able to withstand light rain and dusty conditions with equal effectiveness. What's more, Nikon's famed high-quality optics provide you with brighter, clearer images and superior minimum focusing when working in confined spaces. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.